How to change RedNote profile picture. Let's get started. Launch your RedNote app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the Me page. Once you're over here, click on the option Edit Profile. Now here you will be able to find your profile picture. Click on that. Different options will appear: upload new avatar, create AI avatar, or get avatar accessory. Select the option of your choice. I'm gonna select upload new avatar. With that, your gallery will open up. Now select any of the picture from your gallery, adjust it, then click on this option, next. With that, your profile picture will be updated on RedNote. If you select the option of create AI avatar, you can use these avatar options given over here. Select the picture from your album and apply this effect. Likewise, if you select get avatar accessory, you are able to select the profile picture from these. So this way you are able to change RedNote profile picture. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.